Meaning of immense.
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 Immense. Immense means extremely large or great in amount, size, degree, or intensity. When we use the term immense, it implies something that is beyond our usual scale of measurement or comprehension. It conveys a sense of vastness and magnitude, often implying awe and wonder. For example, we can describe the immense size of the universe, the immense power of natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes, or the immense impact of technological advancements on society. The word immense is often used to express the enormity of something that dwarfs our senses and challenges our understanding of the world around us.